Good afternoon, students. We are continuing with map work. Last time we were studying this map of Kaiso-Tonya, and we have covered a lot of things. We have seen a lot of things. For now, we are going to look at drawing a sketch map. How to draw a sketch map. Supposing somebody brought a question and said, draw a sketch map of Kaiso. On it, mark and label 1, swamps, 2, Lake Albert, 3, forest, 4, road. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. How do you draw a sketch map? Usually a sketch map is bigger in size in comparison to our answer sheets, but they want it drawn on our answer sheets. So how do we draw such a question? How do we do it? There are very many ways of how to draw a sketch map, but to begin with is this. Usually we start by measuring using a ruler. We measure our sketch map from here up to here. What is the length of this map? Let us take it to be, the length is 35 centimeters. Then from here to here, the width is 28 centimeters. So this map is 35 here and 28 here. But these centimeters, we do not have them on our answer sheets. So it means we are going to do what we call map reduction. We will have to reduce the sketch map up to the tune of our photo, up to the tune of our answer sheet. Now 35 by 28, you get what we call a reduction factor. The reduction factor can be 2.5 or 3. That is the standard number we can reduce the map with. We can reduce it with 2, we can reduce it by 2.5, or we can reduce it by 3. So what you do is, this one you will say, maybe let us use 2. You divide this one by 2. You also divide this one by 2. This one you get 17.5 centimeters. 17.5. While this one you will get 14. So after getting that, you now go to the answer sheet. Have a heading. The heading will read a sketch map of Kaiso showing physical and land use activities, physical features, and land use activities. Then from there, come and measure this 17 which you got here, centimeters, and here 14. Then you draw. After that, put it in a frame. Put in this frame a compass direction. Then come and put in these lines. The thick lines, they are even numbered. Like for example, this line is numbered 20. Put it there. This is line 20. Name it. This is line 70. This is line 80. And the last one is line 30. Line 30, which is extreme end. Yes? Then after that, you will be required to draw in those features as you have been tasked. Task number 1 is to draw and label a forest. So you have to put your forest here. It is passing here, crossing line 20 slightly, coming to line 70 towards like that. So put there the symbols. In a map we use the symbols. Mark and label. So you name this one a forest. Then after that, the road, you put there what? The road as you are seeing it here down, it is in the south. It is coming from southeast, southwest. So it has crossed line 70 slightly. It comes, and it ends in this end. This road is going up to where it is heading. They have said it is going to Hoima. Yes, name it. This is a road. What else are we told to put in? Lake Albert. So where is Lake Albert? Lake Albert is extreme end, northeast, around here in the top corner. You shade it correctly. You shade. That is the shading for water. Water is represented with those shadings. You say this is Lake Albert. There is a swamp on Lake Albert. Yes, you also shade it well. So you name it. This is a swamp. This is actually permanent swamp. Of course, there is another swamp here which is seasonal. Seasonal swamp. So this forest here is in a place called the Kireka. So it means this large or very big map extract is the one that has yielded this small map that is fitting onto our paper. After that, draw a key. Draw your key. Tell us that this shading is representing water body. It's representing water body. Then this shading is for a permanent swamp. Permanent swamp. Then after permanent swamp is a seasonal swamp with so many dots. From there, what else have we not indicated? Their forest. So, that is what is expected. That is that sketch map. However, sometimes they don't ask you to reduce. Sometimes you are not required to. They don't give you the reduction in a figure. The question may not require you to reduce, and so if it does not require you to reduce, you can just see the map extract and draw. So we don't consider the other method of, first of all, measuring the length and width. We just look at the map and tell that this map, according to how I see, it is here it is long and here relatively small. So you draw something of that kind. Then put it in a frame. And consider these lines as they have been located here. Line 20, line 70 down here, line 80 up, and lastly line 30 extreme end. Then after drawing that, you include in what you were required to put in. The forest, this side, don't forget to mark and name. That's why the question is requiring you to mark and name. You say this is a forest. Then this one is a road down here. How we have called this road Hoima Road. Up here we have said there is a lake. and this lake is called Lake Albert. So you just do the same way you did the other one, but this time without wasting time, to first of all use a ruler to measure. This is Lake Albert. Then alongside Lake Albert is a seasonal swamp here. So that swamp is a permanent one. Permanent swamp. Then a temporary swamp around here. Seasonal swamp. So this one is similar to this one. Have a key as usual. The water body, the seasonal swamp, the permanent one, and the forest. So it is a similar way like doing the other one, except sometimes you are not required to measure first.